Here are the two schools for tonight's show: St. Jago High and Munro College. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From St. Jago High, team captain David Gale, Donald Robinson, Joel Henriquez, and Shanari Lindsay. While from Munro College we have Delano Mullings, Renaldino Henry, Kirkland Webb, and team captain Brandon Larmond. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in the quarterfinals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Theresa Easy for the arts and Dr. James Smith for the sciences. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered this challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Munro won and they decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. We begin, Munro, with mathematics. Simplify 2b squared minus 2b plus 5 minus 2b squared plus 5b minus 3.
So this is 3b plus 8.
No, b squared plus 3b plus 2. Mathematics for St. Jago. Determine the value of y squared minus 3y plus 4 when y equals minus 2.
When y equals minus 2, so that is 18, 22. 22!
Incorrect. 14. International affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Edward Felipe.
Edward Felipe!
Correct. International affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Paolo Gentiloni. Paolo Gentiloni!
Correct. History for Munro. In what year did Robert Mugabe first take office as Prime Minister of Zimbabwe?
Independence 80.
1980.
1980!
Correct. History, St. Jago. Robert Mugabe assumed the presidency of Zimbabwe in what year?
President,
1986.
Incorrect. 1987. Music, listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be.
Lean on me, Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers!
Incorrect. Bill Withers. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
I see trees of green, red.
Louis Hamilton.
You sure?
Hamilton.
Armstrong.
Armstrong. Louis Armstrong!
Correct. Physics for Munro. What is the name for the control which expands the horizontal scale on an oscilloscope?
Control. AC current.
AC current.
Incorrect. Time base or times multiplier or sweep multiplier. Physics for St. Jago. Name the device used to focus the beam of electrons in a cathode ray tube.
Jago counter.
Incorrect. Magnetic lens. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
This is Troy Byers.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Mahershala Ali.
Mahershala Ali!
Correct. Munro Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
No.
Johnson Charles.
Incorrect. Jamel Warrican. Sports. St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Fidel Edwards.
Fidel Edwards!
Incorrect. Jonathan Carter. And Spanish for Munro. Give the English translation for Las leyes de ese país son duras.
Las leyes. Read. Did you read the country newspaper? Did you read the country newspaper?
Incorrect. The laws of that country are harsh. In Spanish for San Jago, give the English translation for Estoy muy feliz cada vez que ella me visita.
I'm happy because
I'm very happy. I'm very happy each time he or she visited me.
No, I'm very happy whenever she visits me. Information technology. And is that the bell? Yes? That's the end of the opening challenge and the scores. Munro on 3 and San Jago also on 3. It's now time for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Literature. The question is, who wrote the science fiction entitled A Brief History of Time? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.